Hello guys, what's up? So I'm back again for another tutorial video. So in this video, I will gonna show you how you can enable or show the grid lines on your phone camera. So if you are interested, then keep on watching. But before all that, if you are new to my channel, consider to like and subscribe for more videos like this, and also, you can comment down below if you have something that you want me to make a tutorial about. So without further ado, let's start the tutorial. So to enable your phone camera's grid lines, it's actually so easy. Just follow what I'm gonna do. So for the first step, of course, you will need to open your camera. And once you're on camera, next, I want you to tap the menu button or the three horizontal line on the top right corner. And after tapping it, you will now be able to see the grid lines option right here, so just tap it to enable your camera's grid lines. And then that's it guys, it's done. Congratulations, your camera grid lines will now be enabled, so you can now use it as a guide to take a better photos. And so that's just how you do it guys. Now that you've watched this video, you can now do it yourself. So that concludes our tutorial video for today. I hope it helped you. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.